Assalamualaikum and hi. Alright, so in this video we will look at chapter 3, okay, which is on quadratic function. Since you already worked on some questions in group assignment 1, so I assumed most of you have done self-study on this topic, okay, but let me recap few things. Okay, first of all, quadratic function is a function of degree 2, okay, and then a quadratic function can be written in this form. Okay, this is the general form of a quadratic function. Okay, and if you are going to compare with the linear function, that you have learned earlier, okay, linear function is in this form, fx equals to mx plus c. Okay, alright, so this is the general form of a quadratic function. Okay, so what are a, b and c? A, b and c are all constant. Okay, constant means numbers. Okay, a, b and c are all numbers. Okay, while x is x. Okay, the variable, okay, x. Okay, the graph of the quadratic function is called parabola. Okay, this shape is called parabola. Okay, right. Another main feature of a quadratic function is whether it's concave up or concave down. And there's there's an easy way to determine whether the quadratic function will be concave up or concave down. We simply look at the value of a. Okay, as you can see in this example, y equals to x squared plus 7x plus 10. Okay, so a is 1. Okay, because a is the coefficient of x squared. Okay, as you can see here, a is the coefficient of x squared. So basically this is 1. A is 1. And then this is b. 7 is b because b is the coefficient of x. Okay, b is 7. And then c is 10. Okay, however, to determine the concavity, it depends on the value of a, and as you can see, when it's positive, the graph will be concave up. Or another way to easily remember about this rule, when it's positive, you will smile. Okay, when it's positive, when a is positive, the graph will be the smiling graph. Okay, and then in this example, a is negative 3, and that's negative, right? That's less than 0. When the value of a is negative, then you will have a sad graph. Okay, happy versus sad, positive versus negative. Okay, alright, and then let me explain some of the features on a quadratic function. Okay, so I'm sure you are familiar with this y-intercept, just like for the case of linear function, right, or linear graph. Okay, whenever the graph crosses through vertical line, vertical axis, then this is y-intercept. And when the graph crosses horizontal axis, then this will be the x-intercept. Okay, and another thing is the vertex. Vertex will be the lowest point of when you are considering concave up, the vertex will be the lowest point of the graph. And then if you are considering concave down, okay, the vertex will be the highest point of the graph. Okay, but both we call them vertex, whether it's minimum point or in other words the lowest point or the maximum point or the highest point of the graph. Okay, both are called vertex. Alright, I think that's all for this video. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.